Welcome to Armand Academy. Like and subscribe for more content and drop your doubts in the comments. Share with your friends and classmates. For private tuition in these subjects across all boards and universities, contact me here or the link in the description. Let's get started. Dan, Elf, and Furhan were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 5:3:2. With effect from 1st of April 2023, they decided to change their profit sharing ratio to 2:3:5. There existed a general reserve of 90,000 on the date of change in profit sharing ratio. The partners decided not to distribute the general reserve. And we have to think of a journal entry. Whenever they say not to distribute, okay, treat it, treat it like goodwill. It means we have to calculate the sacrifice ratio. We've got and gain ratio, right? So 5:3:2. We've got Dan, Elf, and Furhan. Dan, okay, we've got Dan, Elf, and Furhan. Okay, and we have their old ratio. Okay, I'm just going to write 4. The old ratio is 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. 5/10, 3/10, and 2/10. The new ratio is going to be 2/10, 3/10, 5/10. Sacrifice ratio is old minus new. Okay, so if it will be sacrifice if it's positive or gain if it is negative. So 5/10 minus 2/10 is 3/10. 3/10 minus 3/10 is 0. 2/10 minus 5/10 is minus 3/10. So first of all, elf is not going to be there. And notice none of the options have him also. All right, but we have to think now about the amount and who gets debited and who gets credited. And remember, the person who's sacrificing, then is the giver. The person who's gaining, okay, Furhan is the receiver. They're both people, partners, personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. All right, so I know that the journal entry is going to be Furhan debit. Okay, and I have two options for Furhan debit and Dan credit. Now I need to think of the amount. And that amount is going to be the value of goodwill, which is 90,000 into 3/10. And 0 cut. 9,000 into 3 gives me 27,000. Okay, and therefore my answer is C. Any doubts? Feel free to ask.